Here's the Angus burgers, onions, mushrooms, and butter, and some nice brioche buns toasted here for the teriyaki burger and the sour cream mushroom burger. Two different kind of burgers. I'll show you how they come out here in just a minute. Alright, now we flip the burgers, and you're going to want to add some teriyaki sauce here onto the mushrooms, and probably one of the burgers there. Get that mixed around, get that all mixed up in there. Yeah. Okay, and then you're going to want to get your, now that we got it all set there, boom. Flip the burger over, get it a little teriyaki on both sides. Just going like that. Alright, now for the cheese. Alright, so you can put whatever cheese you like. I usually like kind of a chewy cheese. I put some provolone on top of it. And what we'll do is we're going to turn that off there and bring this over here. Plate over here, and scoop up a nice pile of those mushrooms. Put some of them on top too. Grab some of those. Throw them right on top there. Yeah, now we're talking. That, throw that on there. The ones that fall out, they just go on top. Real simple. Real yummy. There we go. Put them on top of that. All that yummy goodness right there. We'll try that here in a second and see how to finish it off. Okay, and then the other thing you don't want to forget for one of them, the Hawaiian one, is you want to take a couple pineapple slices and drizzle a little bit of teriyaki on there and grill them so they get nice and warm and kind of soft. And we'll put those over on the burgers here in a second. We have two kinds of burgers here. We have the brioche bun with the teriyaki, pineapple, mushroom, onion, provolone cheese on Angus beef. And the sour cream and mushroom burger with just a little bit of the teriyaki. And that one, we've got sour cream on the top of it. And it gives it a really different, awesome taste. So we'll give this here a try in just a minute. Oh yeah, you think you want some of that, do you? Huh? I bet you do. What about you? Alright. So these are some of my most decadent, awesome burgers. They just go down so soft and easy and have so much flavor. The teriyaki with the mushrooms and onions and the melted cheese and the pineapple slice gives it a sweet and sour. And then the other one, that's the mushrooms and cheese with a little sour cream, gives it kind of a rich, creamy flavor. So let's try that one first and see how it is. We'll go grab that. Oh man, you gotta have napkins ready. Oh crap, I'm tripping all over my phone. Wow. That is really good. What do you think? My dog's like, hey, dude. Oh man, I gotta have another bite of that. Anyways, that's how you do it. And it's awesome. Give it a try.